how to create a drop-down list in Excel. So first of all, we will create a list of books over here. As you can see, I just created a list of books over here: physics, chemistry, math, and English. Then those books this list of the books I want to call under this book name, which is could be in a column or in a cell or in a rows, it doesn't matter. So first of all, I want to make sure I selected all of the columns or all of the cells, or all of the rows, which is I need to call this book list. Let's select first of all. Let's say I want to select a couple of cells. Then click on a data. Then click on a data validation. Click yes. Then just click on the data validations. Then select those names: physics, chemistry, math, English. Then click on the source again and click OK. Now you see the drop down list appears on the right on these cells, right? So now if you clicked on these cells and select, you can select any names from here. Also, you could do that. You can just copy and paste this book list, and you can create a utils. Is the file name or the page name or sheet name. You can rename it. It's called a utilities, and you can put in this sheet only for your list source. So now let's go ahead and copy from here. Copy that and paste him. So now let's call this book list into sheet 2, which is called a book name. So now delete from here. Delete it. Now still you can see, you can just copy and paste it over here, but there is no name over here because you already delete the source from here. So let's do it again. There is a drop down list, but I don't want this drop down list. I want a drop down list over here on the right hand side. So same thing, you'll be selecting from here, right? Which is you need to put them all the books name under your cell as a drop down, which is later on you can just select from the drop down list. So let's go ahead and click on data. Then again data validation. Then from any value select list, then the source. So click on a source, then go to your utils file and select from here. Even though you can select as an empty space, then you can put as an empty space as well as on the top. So click on the source, click OK. Now go back to your book names under book names cell, and you can select from here. So this is more customized way. Right. All right, so thank you so much. That's all for today.